Last video I made some homemade pesto. Today I'm going to use that to make some pesto swirl bread. And if I'm feeling fancy, I might even use some sun-dried tomatoes as well. But first, let's make the dough. Get yourself a bowl and add to this bowl about 250 grams of flour or 2 cups of flour. A pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix everything together. Then get yourself about 2/3 cup of lukewarm water and add about 2/3 tablespoon of yeast to it. Mix it together. Add your yeast water to your flour and mix everything together either with your hands or a kitchen machine to a nice smooth dough. Cover your dough with a damp towel. Let it rest for an hour or until the dough has been doubled. When your dough is big enough, place it on a floured plate and roll it out into a nice sheet. Roll out a sheet about 1 finger thick. And spread your pesto all over it. Add some mild grated cheese as well. Not too much. And roll up your dough into a kind of tube. Cut slices from your roll. And place them in a greased up pan with the cut sides upwards and a little bit of space in between. Then let them rest for another 30 minutes. While your rolls are resting, turn on your oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes. It looks and smells really good. Very nice. Very nice. A nice rich pesto flavor with a little bit of cheese and crunchy bread. Very nice. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.